Hello, everybody. I am Kathleen Ives Valencia Castañeda. I'm student in UNAD, Ciudad Medellín, uh, of the Collaborative Group 226 in the course English B1 Plus. I tell you the a film special, a beautiful movie. His name is A Dog's Purpose. The plot this movie beginning, the family adopts a puppy named Bailey, and a lifelong friendship begins. Ethan has all the responsibility and care for Bailey, and regarding his foods, walks, games, workouts, and also teaches him unforgettable tricks that will mark them for life. This creates important bond for the two of you. This bond will be remembered in all the lives where Bailey reincarnates. Now, note as a teenager, Ethan suffered an injury that ended his soccer career and a devastating breakup with Hannah. Ethan heads to college to start his next chapter, since he cannot take Bailey with him. He has to leave his faithful companion at home. While in college, old Bailey gets sick. The dog dies and reincarnates in different types of puppies, where he learns the true value of friendship and can remember his past lives, which each new life he learned a lesson. Now, ending. Bailey is a logic dog who finds the means of the Hawaiian existence through the lives of humans when he teaches to live and love. After searching for his first owner, Ethan, searching through their lives to reunite with him, until finally the dog succeeds. What did you learn about the movie? This movie taught me that true happiness is in love. Animals are the most painful beings in the world. Although they are mistreated, they give love in companionships, selfless. Selflessly. They expect nothing in return and give everything of themselves, whatever the race, color, sex. Love should be the first thing in everyone's life. How did the movie make you feel? Feels like this make people reflect on their lives. It made me feel a mixture of emotions such as joy, love of animals, loyalty, respect for the life of others. It made him reflect on living each day at the same time and accepting the teachings that each day brings. It is important in these moments to enjoy the family and each special moment that is lived with them. All these moments will live in the mind for the rest of our life. How does the mobile relate to the academic program you are studying? I am studying psychology. Psychology studies human behavior and his relationship with others. From this area, you can understand the teaching provided by this film since knowledge is given but what each person learns and what he receives from others. The logic shown by animals, and this time by dogs, generates many feelings that human beings something forget to feel. They study and people and their relationships with other potentials, the knowledge of the mind, fears, emotions, and animals may all these emotions reflect day by day. Another ending for the model could be that Ethan and Bailey had met a little early so that they could enjoy the time more, just as it will have been emotion if Hannah and Ethan had formed a family with children and they learned of Bailey's return. Bye, thank you.